So by here, I am gonna do the new Mac wallet. Look at this in my launch pad. It's giving me some thing, and there's another reason too. But from Telegram and this flow chart, you could say, of the folders in Mac, because this is a Mac deal. I'm gonna go to follow up this. I'm gonna show you this though. Okay, going to this way, which is about the same. Okay, users, then the home folder. Okay, users. This is the home one right here. This is the other way of looking at it. Users, home folder, but this is in dark mode. I'll just leave it there. So users. Now, the next one here from this home folder, users home folder, is library. But if you look, there is no library, so you go. Oops, it has to be, this is preview. It has to be in the Finder menu. Go to folder, go to folder. And this is the library. It's not shown here, it's hidden. There it is, it pops up, no longer hidden. And down in this library, this is the live one. Oh wait. For the library, application support. Application support, right there. And the next one is the Oduwa coin is in there. Application support. And down here is Oduwa coin. There it is. Now, if I was to do what they... here's Oduwa coin. If I was to do what the recommendation is, I would be backing up my wallet, deleting deleting everything but the DAT, and leaving the DAT, and then kicking it up by rebooting it from here. But this is an empty wallet, really. I think this DAT file has nothing in it. So what I'm going to do is erase this whole thing, but I want to see something if I could just go to, wait, that's a photo. So if I go to, just open up applications, here in these folders, applications, and I go to, here's all the applications, and find a Oduwa coin. Now this is the one that's blocked and all this kind of thing. It took a long time to sync because I didn't use the bootstrap, but I don't want to do that same mistake again. But this, I'm just going to brutally erase this. So I'm going to put this into the trash. Oh, and there's the file that I downloaded, so I'm also going to take that out. I'm not losing any coin because I don't have a DAT file with coin on it in that maneuver, so there's no loss of any coin. If I go back here and go application, do a coin, still have all that stuff in there. See, still showing. So I'm going to take that folder and try to do the same. Move to trash or the library. And there it's gone. So I went all the way into the library. I have to go to the secret hidden library. And I got that whole thing and took it out. So now I'm just going to go to Oduwa.coin, Bitcoin.io. Okay. Back wallet. Yeah, that's. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to download the zip. Number one. Should be a fresh zip. I mean, not in conflict with anything else. Which is a zip file. And the database. Also a zip file. Saying 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Let's take a look, see over here. Here's the wallet. Here's the downloading boot file. Okay, 3 minutes left after, let's see, 3 minutes left a long time ago. That's okay. Oh, it's dug way down. This is a JPEG taken from Telegram, showing the path this way. This is not in dark mode, it's in light mode, so the print is black and the field is white, so it's able to, it should be, indicating how you would update your wallet if you had coin in it and you're just extracting the files or deleting these files, saving this one which has the coin in it. So you would be upgrading your wallet and it would still have the same passcode to enter your wallet as you did before. It's in dark mode. Can't see what you're typing. So here's the folder. Now I'm putting the bootstrap folder into a little folder. Bootstrap zip file rather into a little folder. There it is. Open. So it's extracting the zip file. There it is. Box. Change state. Okay. I'm uncomfortable about that being in a folder. Okay, so bootstrap. And this is blocks. Change state. Okay. So I'm going to take those two and I'm going to put them out here. It should be in that folder, but they're right next to it. Okay. So there's the bootstrap. There's the bootstrap stuff in there. Okay. Yeah. Open this. Let's get this to work. Okay, as we've seen before, this does not open up inside this window space of Finder. When people do that, they get that does not open in this volume note. So what I'm going to do is, here's my application folder. I'm just going to drag it like this in here. Okay, kind of had this thing going on before like that. So look down in here. Where do you see it? But there it is. There, in the application folder, is this. So I'm going to double click it. So it took that. So right click, open with disk mounter, right? Oh, well, that's a zip one. So you take the DMG one, that one here, and you right click and you open with the disk mounter. So it's mounted as a disk. And they're showing it right there. That's mounted. That image they say in the Mac world. It's just indicating that it's mounted. Ah, there's where it's mounted. Okay, so it's down over here. There it is. Found it. Okay, when it's mounted, it's down in this list. Oh, please excuse me. Okay, so it has applications. It has a dual coin. Okay, now if I start this, what I want to see is if I can load that bootstrap into that other place. Oh, hard drive? Is there? It's the home one. This is where I'm supposed to go to folder. Library. Application support. Do I have? Oh, it's not in there. So it hasn't been. Okay. So the bootstrap, which is right here and right here, hopefully this is gonna work. It took a while. It took a day and a half or something. All right, so just open up a folder, Finder folder, and on this side, with Oduwa mounted, right? I wonder if it's not how to do that. So I'm being a little experimental. Okay, so there's the icon for the application to start it. Let's see what's going on. It's an application from the outside of the internet. You don't have to warn me because I want to open this up. Now, I'm going to take a look. System preference, security and privacy. It's not showing up there. Okay. Some space. What I'll do is click on Telegram so I can put enough space. So I'm pulling it over there, and it's already there, so I'm just going to do that and replace it. I'm thinking it's in my, yep, it's in my folders over here. Okay, welcome to Oduwa. It's the first time your program has been launched. You can choose where it will store its data. Use the default data directory. I'm fine with that. Now it's loading the wallet. So once I get it, oh, okay. Now this is the real McCoy. See if it's reading the bootstrap so I can be up to speed. Or it might just take. Looks like it's moving along a little bit. Might be a little bravado to do this while it's doing that, but again, 2 library. Application support. Is there a folder? There it is. Do it on the folder. Well, here's that. There's a dual clone folder. It says blocks. Open up this. It's going to be a very be the first block. Yes. And change state. Let's see what I'm doing. Okay. This one is change state. So I'm gonna take all that, put it in here. Apply to all. If there's any duplicates, just place it there. So I kind of force-fed the bootstrap in here. And this is the one, do one, attention state, library, user. Okay. Well, hopefully, we can completely Frankenstein this thing. I'm even going to go so far as to quit. Now, I'm going to go back. Alright, that's just a folder with stuff in it. Go back to the application files and just, oh, can't be opened. So here it is here. Application. Take this and put it in there. Okay. Okay, it's loading up again for a second time. That's rewinding blocks, loading addresses. Whoa, look at that. Progress 97%. Oh, it's connecting the peers. So I was able to stick that bootstrap in there. I wouldn't recommend this procedure for the faint-hearted. But I was doing this all with no coin in my wallet DAT. So I could just theoretically back up my wallet DAT or save that little file someplace completely else and come back later and swap that one file, wallet DAT, out. Because this wallet doesn't have nothing in it. So I could be a little bit more brave about that maneuver just did. I don't even know if I can re-explain what I just did, but in an attempt, I extracted the bootstrap. And it's these two folders. Inside these two folders is a list. Now, there's two different folders. One's chain state, one's blocks. So when you go back into that file where you're deleting the inside files of the Oduwa wallet, that's when I replaced what was in the bootstrap files, what was within the unbootstrapped. It's kind of forced bootstrapped it from the side. Seems to be working so far. It's up to a few days ago, May 15th. This would be May 18th, 19th. What would really make me happy is if this wallet is completely fresh and it has not been encrypted yet. Oh, and just seconds away maybe from finding this out. Look how the sync time changes. It's moving up, its sync time's diminishing quicker, then it's booting up faster than, oh, 1 minute left. Oh, now seconds? Okay, here we go. All right. It's a little lift off here. There it is. Ah, the wonderful wallet. All right, now there's one thing I gotta find out. Encrypt wallet, see that? It's an option to encrypt, which means this doesn't have anything. It's fresh, completely installed, up to date. Oh, thank God. Thank you, Oduwa Kingdom. There it is. Hope this helps anybody who needs this type of video. Take care. Mongoose Max Hawaii. Crypto Corner. Aloha. Hey, I thought I would just start the encrypt. Now, here it is. I can choose my own password, and if I don't remember this, it shall be a lost. Okay, I don't know why I'm thinking of a really complicated one right now, but so shall it be. Okay, I gotta delete this. Just a minute. Alright. I actually had 2 different passwords. There goes. Warning, if you encrypt the wallet and lose your passwords, you will lose all of your coinage. There's nothing in there right now. Do you wish to encrypt your wallet? Yes, because there's nothing in it right now. So now it shall disappear. Dual coin will now finish the encryption process. Remember that encrypting your wallet cannot fully protect your coins from being stolen by malware infecting your computer. So beware of the malware. For previous backups you have made when wrong should be replaced with a newly generated encrypted wallet file. Security reasons previous backups. As soon as you start using. Okay. And it's shutting. And it's going to come back encrypted. Nowhere did it encompass system preferences with security. Okay, second addendum. If this is the IVIE Mac mining wallet, it's fully up to speed on the blockchain. I just sent it off and to be encrypted. It came back, and there it is. It is locked. See, it's been encrypted. I can unlock it. Let's see if I get it going. There it is. If I go up here to settings, I can lock it back, but it's basically unlocked. It has over here. It's encrypted and currently unlocked. Active connections. 0 active connections to the Oduwa network because it had 0 coin in it. And that's that. One more thing I think I should point out. Here's the wallet. It's all up to speed. It's unlocked. It's sitting pretty right where it is. But if I leave it on, and this icon is down here, if I leave it on and open like this, everything seems to be fine. But in Mac, when I quit the wallet, and it's shutting down, and now you don't see the icon, where is it? It's not here. I'm talking about the folders loading it. So if I look in the launch pad, and there's the icon to boot it up, it does this. Cannot be open. Oh no, what now? So this is what I found I can do is this Oduwa coin thing here is still mounted. This is still mounted. And what this looks like is down here. So if you get this, the Oduwa coin doesn't just open by itself. Oh, it does. Just go down there and find the coin. It should open. There it is. And there it is. And another thing you can do is try to just take this and transfer it into the application folder. And that's it. And I can unlock it if I want to. Settings, unlock. And where is that? Yeah, okay. Unlocked. I'm going to leave this on, open, and unlocked so it can, I don't know. I might put a coin in there later. Anyways, aloha.